Hi friends, happy Monday, happy Columbus Day. Come open alien worlds with me. But first, I'm going to apply some lip color so I don't look too for y'all. Okay, I just applied Throwback, and I'm gonna put on some mocha gloss. I love this shade of gloss. Definitely one of my favorite shades of our lip oils. I just love like a rich brown, especially during fall. Okay, there. Now I look a little more alive and camera ready for you with some lipstick on. One thing that I am loving is my skincare routine with Abby. It's just really like, oh, I'm just loving the way my skin is looking lately. What do y'all think? Yeah, I don't even need to apply makeup anymore. I just apply some lip color. Helps me look a little more alive. Most of the time I like curl my eyelashes and put a touch of mascara on, but other than that, that's all I've been wearing lately since I started my Abby skincare routine. What do y'all think? All right, so I am on live today to open alien worlds with you. Okay, so Alien Worlds is October's color play. And our little description of Alien Worlds is: adventure awaits beyond the stars with cosmic glitters and glow-in-the-dark designs. I cannot wait to open up these glow-in-the-dark designs with y'all. Remember, we always know the theme of our color play, but we don't know the sets inside. We do get a sneak peek towards the end of the month, which is awesome. It can kind of help you decide, should I pause or do I really want that color play envelope? I don't ever pause. I always want the color play envelope, y'all. But without further ado, let's open up our envelope, okay? Remember, this is October's, so it is too late to get this color play envelope. But at the end of the live, I will show off November's theme, and you can subscribe for November if you wish, okay? And I think you're gonna want to. So if you are on live with me right now, thank you so much for joining me live. Drop me some green hearts in the comments, or drop me some little alien emojis in the comments. Thank y'all. Thank you. And if you're catching the replay, hashtag replay. Thank y'all so much. All right. So every color play envelope will come with this handy little brochure. Look at that glow in the dark set, y'all. Now, as a stylist, I am in certain Nailfie groups, and I have already seen a few Nailfies, and I'm loving them. I cannot wait to wear one of these sets. I will be redoing my nails tonight. Y'all, I've had this look on since my parents' anniversary party. The last time I was on live with y'all and did my nails back in September 25th, 26th. So I've had this nail set on that long. You can definitely see the grow out. You can definitely see I've been massacring my nails because I had a little bit of stress this past week. But yeah, other than that, they've held up wonderfully, right? Drop some nail emojis below if you are loving how great my current nail set still looks. But anyways, back to our color play. So each color play envelope will come with our little brochure. And this little brochure comes in handy because it tells us what nail strips are inside, right? And then if you flip it over, it kind of gives you some ideas on how to wear the nail strips inside. Pretty cool, right? It also will tell you the description of the color play envelope. And then it also will give you our membership perks on the back as well. And I'll be reviewing those with y'all at the end. So let's meet the strips, shall we? We do have our nail file and our nail prep pad in the envelope to help get our nails ready for our strips. Our first one, ooh, this one is gorgeous. You know what? I should have put my ring light on for y'all. Put a light bulb in the comments if y'all want my ring light on. I think it'll help y'all see these nail strips better. Let me see. Forgive me. I'm going to put my ring light on for y'all. And I should have been more prepared and done that beforehand. And I'm sorry. Carla, I see that you are watching. Thank you for hopping on this afternoon. My kiddos are home from school because it is Columbus Day. Are y'all working or are y'all off of work today? Drop me some alien emojis in the comments if you're on live. Let me see if I can. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. I should have been more prepared for y'all. I'm just plugging in my ring light because these sets are really pretty. And I want y'all to be able to see what they look like in better lighting. Okay. That door was to my desk. I have one of those like really neat kind of arm wire looking desks where when you open up the door, a drawer slides out for the laptop and then the desk kind of comes down from inside. That's the kind of desk that I have. And so I was opening this side that the laptop slides out on. Okay. Let's see if I can get this to work for y'all. It's kind of yellowish, right? Let's put on... okay. Here we go. That's bluey. Bluey. I'm trying to pick a good light, but I'm trying to pick like a natural. That's really yellow to me, but that might do. I think that might do. Okay. All right. So this first set is called Spaced Out. Yeah, the ring light is definitely going to help capture what I want to show y'all better. Check out that glitter. Wow. Look at that. Wow. That's beautiful, right? So this one is spaced out. It says, connect the constellations with this indigo blue coated with stunning holographic glitter. Gorgeous. I love it. I am so happy this set is in here. It really kind of brings out what the color play design was on the package. See? Kind of like matches that. Love it. That is perfect. Beautiful set. I think this would look really pretty for winter time with that blue, right? Next, we have Phantom Orbit. This one's nice too. Wow. This one we have like that gradient kind of ombre with like a pinkish glitter. Let's see what our pamphlet says. It says Journey to Planets Unknown with this boysenberry to black gradient shimmer with dark hot pink glitter. Gorgeous. I love it. Drop me some pink glitter hearts in the comments if you are liking this gradient glitter design. And this one kind of matches our envelope too. Before I move on, I want to share something really quickly with y'all. If you were to hop on to my site and grab these 2 sets on my site, you're looking at $27 plus tax and shipping. What's really awesome about our color play is it's only $30 and shipping's included. So $30 plus tax, shipping is included. And this color play envelope has 5 full sets. If you were to get 5 full sets on my website, you're looking at least $54 plus tax and shipping. So it's an amazing savings. And I have never not liked a color play theme, or I've never not liked color play sets. Another cool thing is if you're a part of the color play club, you like say you love this set, you can go, you get an exclusive member, an exclusive color play member shopping link to go to, and you can buy this set again if you want. You can't get it on my website, but if you're a color play member, you can. So next up, we have Cosmic Crush. I was not expecting a set like this in here, but I love it. It is beautiful. I love a nice pink during the holidays sometimes. How about you? That is a gorgeous pink glitter set. Beautiful. Cosmic Crush. It says we've got a Cosmic Crush on this deep pink with black and pink matte and sparkly holographic glitter. So, so pretty. Right? And that one is kind of matching the hues on the envelope down here. Y'all see that? So pretty. All right, let's see. What do we have next? I have seen 2 glow-in-the-dark Nailfies, and I'm thinking these are them. So let's see. Up next, we have Next Realm. How fun. This set is great. For those of you that don't know, tomorrow is my birthday, and I think I'm going to wear this for my birthday. Put a birthday cake emoji below if y'all think I should wear this one for my birthday. This is Next Realm. Enter the Next Realm with this glow-in-the-dark nail strip with a cyberpunk colored gradient and oil spill design. I love it. Love, 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 love it. I'm loving the gradient right here. So we do have a Halloween set that kind of has like this gradient design, but it's like a candy corn color, like an orange, very subtle hint of yellow and white. And it's this this design right here. But I am loving this one. I wish I can show y'all the glow in the dark on here, but I don't think it'll allow me to. Yeah, there's too much light. But come back to the group and I'll share some Nailfies of it, okay? Or make sure you're my friend on Facebook or Instagram, because I show off Nailfies on there too. So this is the last set I have to show y'all. This is called Astral Glow. How cute is that? Astral Glow. This one, it almost reminds me of the Northern Lights, right? How gorgeous is that? Very pretty. Discover this, another glow-in-the-dark set. Discover this glow-in-the-dark nail strip with a futuristic colored gradient and bands of cosmic dust and a universe untraveled. I love it. I am so happy I didn't miss out on this box or envelope. They're in envelopes now. So these 2 are our glow-in-the-dark sets. How cool are those? Comment Astral Glow if I should wear this one for my birthday, or comment Next Realm if I should wear this one for my birthday. What do y'all think? Next Realm or Astral Glow? I'm loving both of them. It's going to be a hard pick. I need to see if I have like a Halloween clear design overlay to put on them. So I could wear them for Halloween too. I love glow-in-the-dark nails for Halloween. All right, so let's meet November's theme. Remember, we always know the theme, but we don't know the sets that are inside, right? November's theme is Caramel Cafe. How exciting is that? I hope we get a nail strip that looks exactly like this. That is beautiful, right? The swirls. I really hope we get a nail strip that has these swirls in it. So Caramel Cafe, capture the cozy warmth of a cafe on your fingertips with caramel tones and creamy latte-inspired designs. I love it. What a fun November theme. Perfect for fall. Remember, our Color Play envelopes are only $30 plus tax. And here are our Color Play perks. Exclusive members shop. You are going to get exclusive items that only Color Play members can shop from. You get a $5 product credit each month. You get a $10 product credit on your birthday. And you get a $15 loyalty product credit for every 3 consecutive months you're a Color Play member. That is up to $130 a year. How amazing is that? Those product credits you can use on getting my favorite lip oils. You can use on getting yourself some pampering goodies, like one of my favorite, the cuticle creams. But yeah, you can use that product credit on more nail strips, on hand and nail care items, or our makeup items, whichever you choose to use that product credit on. Again, you can subscribe for November Caramel Cafe up until October 31st at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. The price is just $30 plus tax. I pay like $32 and some change, and you get charged for that on the 2nd of the month. So for example, if you went and subscribed today for the November Color Play box or Color Play envelope, you wouldn't be charged until November 2nd. And they usually ship out by the 6th of the month. Depending on the holiday, it could be a little after that. Since we've changed to the envelopes, I've been getting mine very quickly. I got mine, I want to say last Tuesday, the 7th. So they are shipping out super quick in the envelopes, which I think is great. So if y'all remember, they used to come in boxes, right? They used to come in the little boxes. Those took a while to ship, but the envelopes are coming much more quicker. If y'all have any Color Play questions, let me know in the comments below. And then next weekend, let's see, today's the 13th, and so the 14th is Tuesday, so the 16th is Thursday, which means the 18th is Saturday. I want to say Saturday we are going to have a Color Play girls night in the VIP lounge. Don't miss it. You know I love to spoil my VIPs, and there will be a gift involved for those who participate. Let me show y'all real quick. I do have some gifts that, I'm sorry, sitting down at my desk and getting these in envelopes to mail out has not been my forte this past week or two. But I do have some VIP gifts that are being shipped out soon. And I love spoiling y'all. Y'all are my VIPs. Y'all are the reason that I do what I do. And thank y'all so much for continuing to support me and the VIP group. That's it for Color Play. Any questions or comments, put them below, or feel free to message me, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now.